You've been looking for the easiest tutorial on how to get the Google Gemini 12-month student-free plan so you could start creating quality faceless video shots to run TikTok ads, Facebook ads, or even grow your pages on all social media platforms. I've taken my time to prepare this detailed and yet concise and straightforward video tutorial just for you. Make sure you subscribe to get all the links that I used. Now, let's get started. All right, the first step is to create a student passport, which we will later use to create a student ID card. We are going to be using an AI, the Croc AI, which is the second AI, the second icon you are seeing here. You can also use any other AI of your choice, so long as it gives you the best result. So I click on Croc. Now let me click on Imagine up here, and then come here and paste my prompts. So I say generate a realistic passport size image of a 22-year-old simple Nigerian male student. So that's what I typed. So I want to hit send. So let it generate. That's one reason I love Croc. It will give you as many options as possible. I just need someone in a different hairstyle. I think this is good. Maybe we'll go with this one. Okay, so this is okay. So I'll just click here to download it. So it's been downloaded. All right, the next thing is to download a school logo and then get a signature ready. Remember, this is for educational purpose only. So let's go to the Google browser and search for, let's use University of Nigeria. Let's check out this one. So I'll press and then download it. So the next thing to do is signature. I've signed something. Let's go to remove background website. That's remove.bg. Okay, so when we come here, let me close this. It's saying upload this. I'll click on upload, but I want to use the camera. All right, so I'll click on the camera. I want it to snap this so I can remove the background. So I'll capture this. We save it, so we just click here to bring it in. Okay, so it's working on it already. It's actually possible to download a signature online, but I think that is me being lazy, right? Because a lot of people might be using that signature online, right? I can just sign and snap it, then run it this way. I want to remove the background because I want the PNG without background, right? So it's done with it. So I'll just come to download here and download it for free. So it has downloaded, even though the quality is lower, but it will work. I also want to look at that image, that logo we brought in. Let's see if we can remove any background on it, because that's it here. So done. I want to bring it in. So I don't want any background, right? Okay, so I'm going to once again hit download here and bring it in. All right, so we've also gotten that. Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing will be to create our ID card, right? To do this, we're going to be using a particular link. Remember, I said you should subscribe to this channel so you get all the links. Okay, so I'm going to be using a particular link. I'll be dropping the link in the description, so make sure that you subscribe to be able to access everything, right? So let it load first. All right, so we are about to create our ID card. We've gotten our passport, we've gotten the logo, school logo, we've also gotten our signature, right? So we'll do upload and then paste other things. So let's click, the first one is the logo, so we'll click on choose file, and we select this one that doesn't have background, bring it in. Then the next thing is student photo. This has not fully opened, but I guess it's this one here. Let me click on it. I suppose that's it. Okay, that is it. Then we also come here, we want to pick the signature. Okay, so that's the signature. So we come down here and we're going to enter our university name. Remember, this is for educational purpose only, so University of Nigeria, Nsukka. So here, we'll put our name. But remember, every detail you are filling here because we need it somewhere else. Leave this like this. Here, I'll copy something and paste there. I'll come back to that in a moment. But let's select the year. In this case, I want to go for, okay, let's go for year first. I want to go for 2002. I want to go for January 2000, okay, March 2002, 1st of March 2002. Okay, so that one is already set. We come down here, address. Let's remove what is here and put in, let's say, Roma or UNN. Okay. Then here we'll put any random phone number. I want to go with maybe plus. Let's put plus 234 36. Okay. So there's one more thing I was supposed to. Sorry for this notifications. Okay, I wanted to work on this number. So let me see if I can copy something. Okay, so here I can change the row number. I'll just paste this one that I wanted. Okay, so if you check here, you see every detail we've entered. Can you see the logo here? Can you see the school name? And then this is the passport. Then this is the student detail. And then we can come here where it says download card and click on download card. Of course, down here you see the address. Okay, so let's click on download card. Okay, so I think we've downloaded the card. Let me be sure. Let me try and open it. Okay, so that's the card. So everything is in order. Now the next thing is to use this ID card we generated to access the 12 months Google Gemini free plan, right? If you've watched up till this point and you are getting value and yet you've not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to do so. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get all the links to this training. To get the Google Gemini 12 months student free plan, we come here and we want to search Google Gemini student offer. Let's click on this first one. All right, so we're going to be using this. And you see this offer is still open till 9th of December 2025. Okay, so we click on get offer. Now this email account here is not eligible for this offer. What I will do is I'll come here. Let me check other emails that I have. I should have one that they should accept. Okay, now can you see 12 months free plan? Can you see it here? 1 year free plan, right? So I'll click on verify eligibility. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video, right? So do subscribe to have access to every link that I am using for this video. So when I come here, I'll go straight here and select Nigeria. Okay, make sure you select it from here. And then for school, we go for University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Okay, this one's okay, Nsukka Enugu. Okay, that one is okay. So for name, our first name is Oni according to the ID card, and our last name is Bliss. All right, so for birth month, we selected March, 1st of March 2002. Okay, now email, So let me click on verify student status. Okay, so it's using your school credentials. So what we'll do here is important. Don't miss what I'm about to do. So first of all, I'll click on sign into your school, but then I'll move back, right? So I tried to sign in, I clicked on it, then I moved back, and then it brought up this option, upload proof of enrollment. So I'll click, then it says here add document. I'll click on add document. I will go here. That should be it. Okay, so that's it here. So let's submit and see whether we'll get verified. It's counting down. Yeah, it said you have been verified, right? So it says now get Google AI Pro, right? So when we click here, we'll now be able to add our card, but they are not going to deduct anything, right? After we remove the card. So let's click on get this. All right, so it brings us here. My card has been added. Can you see it here? So if not, you can select another card, but everything is okay, right? So that's the card we selected. So I'll just click on subscribe. So can you see subscribe, right? So we've subscribed to Gemini 12 months free plan, right? So the next thing we'll do before we call it done is to return to your Play Store and try to remove this card. Okay, to remove the card, I'll simply come to my Google Play and then click here. Then when I go to payment and subscription and I take it to subscriptions, can you see it here, right? So I can click on it. Yeah, so here now I can decide to unsubscribe. Can you see cancel subscription, right? So I can cancel it here, but I'm not doing it right away. I have 12 months, right? But I'll do this maybe tomorrow. Don't wait till the 12 months, right? So that's how to do that. I hope you learned so much from this video. Remember to subscribe so that you can access all the links. If you are finding it difficult to create, you can contact me and we can help you do it for a little token. So I'll see you in the next update.